Okay. Hey guys, it's just a disclaimer that I'm a beginner and I don't know anything about editing and video. I just feel like this is for a good cause, and if there comes any mistake in between, please forgive me for that.
So, what else to wait for? Let's get started. Today's topic is degree and order. The essence of the distinction between degree and order lies in the nature of the decision rather than the manner of the expression. Degree. As per section 2 subclause 2 of the CPC, a degree is a formal expression of an adjudication which, as far as regards the court expressing it, conclusively determines the rights of the parties with regard to all or any of the matters in controversy in the suit. It can be final or preliminary. It shall be deemed to include the rejection of a plaint and the determination of any question with section 144, but shall not include any adjudication from which an appeal lies as an appeal from an order or any order of dismissal for default. A degree is preliminary when further proceedings have to be taken before the suit can be completely disposed of. It is final when such adjudication completely disposes of the suit. It may be partly preliminary and partly final. Essential elements of a degree are as follows. Number 1, there must be an adjudication, that is, a judicial determination of the matter in dispute. The administrative decision on any matter is not a degree. The second essential element is the adjudication must have been given in a suit. Suit means a civil proceeding instituted by the presentation of a plaint. Third essential element is it must have determined the rights of the parties with regards to all or any of the matters in controversy in the suit. Number 4, such a determination must be a conclusive determination. There should be a conclusive decision and not merely an interlocutory order. Number 5, there must be a formal expression of the adjudication. There are primarily 4 kinds of degree. Number 1, preliminary. Number 2, final. Number 3, partly preliminary and partly final. And number 4, deemed degree. Now let's deal with the term order. The term order has been defined under section 2 subclause 14 of the CPC. Order is defined as a formal expression of any decision of a civil court which is not a degree. Order can be classified into 2, appealable order and non-appealable orders. The essential ingredients of an order are as follows. Number 1, it should be as a formal expression of any decision. Number 2, the decision should be pronounced by the civil court. Number 3, the formal expression should not be a degree. Distinction between degree and order. The essence of the distinction between degree and order lies in the nature of the decision rather than the manner of its expression. First difference. A degree can only originate from a suit commenced by presenting a plaint. An order may originate from any suit. It generally arises from proceeding commenced on an application. Number 2. A degree is an adjudication which conclusively determines the rights of the parties with regard to any or all matters in controversy. But in case of order, an order may or may not finally determine the rights of the parties. A degree may be preliminary or final, but there is no such distinction in order. Number 4. Except in certain suits where 2 degrees, one preliminary and the other final, are passed, in every suit there is only 1 degree. On the other hand, many orders can be passed out in a single suit. A first appeal always lies from a degree. Unless otherwise expressly provided by the section 96 of the CPC, appealability is the rule and non-appealability is the exception in the case of a degree. However, no appeal lies from an order unless it is one of the appealable orders according to section 104 or section 43 of the CPC. The last difference, in case of a degree, an aggrieved party has a right to second appeal on the grounds mentioned in section 100 of the CPC. In case of an appealable order, an aggrieved party does not have the right to the second appeal. Hope you liked it. Let's continue in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe.